So it's a branch that gets stuck. Bye. So hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm still in Albania and my foot is like this. It's okay. So I can ride today to North Macedonia or Macedonia, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sitting here having breakfast with my new fellow rider friend. And I'm going to pack up my bike and leave as soon as possible, I think. So now I'm about to leave this lovely little hotel in Peshkopia.
Yes.
Did you take the photo of the car or no?
Oh, the car?
The
No,
car.
this
no.
one.
Yes, it was another man.
Yeah, I know he was.
My husband created it.
It's you. It's you that made it.
Yes.
His idea.
Cool.
His idea.
Yeah, because they're talking about it.
There
That
was another tourist that take photo of this.
Yeah.
I forgot. I was you.
Yeah, okay.
Have a nice trip.
Yeah, thank you very much for the stay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. This. Okay. Bye. That man is having a hard time. It's really stressful. Oh, it's so dusty here. I should have put my goggles on. It's like an open field. Just go everywhere. So stupid. It's funny. Oh, I can't be behind this. Oh, this is not. Man. I think I need to find another way to the border. I can't go like this. Okay, now it's a little bit of a no man's land and it looks like we are going to face another border point control for the entry to North Macedonia. There you go. So this is the entry. You see, my border crossing skills are getting better. It was catastrophic at the beginning. You should have a look at on the earlier episodes. Okay? So that was not very complicated, just hot. And now I can officially let you know that we are in North Macedonia or Macedonia. Beautiful. So the first little glimpse of North Macedonia. I really need to check out how to pronounce it. Is it Macedonia or Macedonia? Okay. Now we're talking again. Smaller roads. So I will take this small route to a place called Kriega, I think. Okay, so I don't know how far it is to Kriega. It looks like a really widening road like this one, so it might take a while, but it's okay, I got the time. Here's some sort of a church building. Okay, we got this coming. Alright, so this can be interesting. This is, oh, it's quite steep down. I think this might be a little tricky road. I guess we got ourselves a little challenge ahead. Am I up for it? This is quite deep. Hot all the time. It's like 27. Okay. I think this might become worse further ahead, like this. This is gonna get very dirty, I think. I wonder how many more of these passages I have to take, because, well, it's a little bit drier here. It's in the shadows underneath the trees where the sun doesn't shine. It never dries up, but it's still a rocky road. Yeah. This can be some sort of a this actually is worse than the other ones I did. Oh, that's better. Wow. There's more yet to come. Some sort of a logging area again. 2.7 kilometers to go to the next turn. Right. It's okay. So it became real tricky over there. It was quite a lot of mud. I don't know if I catched it because I ran out of battery in the GoPro. Typical, as usual. Anyway, I thought something was wrong with the bike. It sounded not right, so I had to check, and I have got this little fellow as a passenger. So it's a branch that got stuck underneath. So I just need to get it out. Oh, there you go. You don't belong. But it's a perfect branch to check the depth in water passages. So I might bring it along. No, I'm not gonna do that. There's plenty of branches everywhere. Let's have a little look. So it's only just 1 kilometer or something. Right. Okay. It's a close call. I think I'm gonna get out of here. possible? I can't put it down either. Oh, I'm so close. So close. I guess I just could make a fast turn, and it's not even, you know, I can't step, I cannot put it's gonna sink and it's gonna fall if I can't step off the bike. These branches. Okay, you get in there. Do like this. There you go. Okay, so make. Alright. So it doesn't start. Something happened. Oh, I got the stand. Oh, stupid f***ing idiot. Oh, almost there. Oh, that. There you go. And then we just should go for it. Okay. Okay, so we're on better ground. All right, that was tough. That was tough. I really do hope it's not more of that. This is a piece of cake. Okay. Just take it easy. Right. So I guess there is going to be some more mud passages. Oh, there we go. That's a small one. Not deep. Some deep stuff. It's good to rinse the tires off a little bit. I'm not going fast. Can't go fast here. Oh, it's so... can you imagine this when it just had been raining, or if it will start to rain? It would be a nightmare. Okay, so hopefully we're out from the worst roads. Sometimes it comes like this tracks, but at least it's not muddy. Oh, there's a car. So the road can't be that bad from this point. Of course, there's a little bit of that. Second gear. But I must... Oh, hello horses. He was filming me. Oh, that's funny. That's so funny. He was sitting in the shade under the tree and hearing a motorcycle coming with his horses, and he was sitting with his mobile phone and filming me passing by. That's nice. It's universal that you like to film anything unusual happening from the ordinary life. And the road is much better from here. I mean, I think when I was in Bosnia, I would think, now really as early as Slovenia, I would think that this was a proper dirt road. I would say, I'm going off-road. It's hard riding. And yeah, it is, if you're not used to it, which I wasn't. And now I'm going through mud, barely. I guess I have the luck on my side sometimes as well. But yeah, this bike and these tires, they are soldiering through so much stuff that I actually didn't thought. I couldn't imagine that I would do those muddy things. And I guess after a couple of 100 miles on roads like this, it's not so hard anymore. But of course, if I laid it down back in there, it would have been a bitch to get it up again. So we're out on the paved, and I must say it's a relief. And I can't ride paved anymore, apparently. Oh, poor Ragnar. He has been working a lot lately. Just put it in dynamic pro mode and go. Kitchevo, here we come. Yes, made it.